Okay, hello everyone. This is Goodison Gamer and welcome to Buggy Boy on the Sinclair ZX Spectrum. Okay, so I have reviewed this game on Commodore 64 and Amiga. Yeah, they are fantastic. Fantastic game that holds up today after all these years. So now let's take a look at the Spectrum version here, how it plays. So, how do we do here? Let's go down to define keys here so I can have some configuration that I like. There perhaps. So I change gears with one bottom that I chose here. So let's play this game. Cool, yeah, it's the same layout as the other versions here. 5 different tracks. So can we please start the game? Yep, off-road. So here we go. Oh my god, this is big. This is so goddamn big. Everything. Look at the car. And the flags and the banners and the stones. Everything is ridiculously big. I don't know what the hell were they thinking. And it's so bumpy. And it lacks speed. Not like the Commodore 64 version or Amiga. And how am I supposed to get through there? Seriously, I can't see. I can see in front of me. I don't know. How am I supposed to go through there? I can't see. Oh my god. I mean, it looks nice. I mean, graphically, it's cool. And the car, my vehicle, looks good actually, but it's so big. I cannot concentrate here and collect the flags and everything here. How did I get through there? How did I manage that one? This is just strange. This is one of the most strangest. Oh, I managed it. I managed it. I didn't see that one coming. And believe it or not, one can. The first impression is that this is just an unplayable mess. But I mean, it plays all right actually. It's just so bizarre. It's just so bizarre and big everything, so it just make it stupid. So I don't know if I'm relying on pure luck, like here when I drive through here, or if I have some. And look at that, it's just I can't see in front of me. Ah, come on! Like that. How did I avoid that tree, for example? I didn't see that. This is gonna be a short video. This one. Look at it. Game over. Okay, we can try one track or something. North. Let's take the west. And no starting signal, no countdown, anything. Just start immediately. Okay, how on earth was I supposed to avoid that? This game is just so strange. So perhaps this is a game I will come back to from time to time, just because one needs these kind of games in order to just fulfill some kind of bizarre enjoyment in life. So this will be the last track I'm driving here. I have to catch my breath and melt what the hell I'm witnessing here. I don't know exactly how to... Oh, I did it. Checkpoint. Like digesting. What the hell am I witnessing here? What the hell am I experiencing here? Oh, now we are out here with the street lights in the middle of the road. What the hell were they thinking? It's pretty lethal, actually. I mean, like I said earlier, I mean, the first impression is that this just is an unplayable mess. But the car handling is alright, actually. Believe it or not. But I think one need to experience it in person just to get the hang of it. I don't know exactly what I'm experiencing here. I'm completely clueless. Come on, why don't you drive? Yeah. Yeah. So, how many checkpoints have I passed? 50 seconds to the next one. Oh shit. Shit, what the hell is going on with the speed now? Oh man, look at this mess. How did I manage get through there? It's ridiculous. Oh my god. Shit, I'm hurt. My finger here. So I am used to using a controller when I drive in video games, but Spectrum doesn't support it, so I don't have any choice but to play with my keys. Look at it, what the hell? That is a game over, thanks God. I don't exactly know what the hell happened there, what I have experienced here. Yeah. It is a strange game, but believe it or not, it's kind of playable actually. I'm gonna give this game 3 out of 10. Perhaps a 4, I don't know. Yeah, it was a strange experience. Very strange experience. I recommend everyone, if you want to play Buggy Boy, play it on the Commodore 64 or Commodore Amiga. That is a hell of a good games actually. This, what the hell were you thinking? Well, I don't know. There you go. Thank you for watching everyone and have a good one. Goodbye.